Once again, good morning, everybody. Welcome to Pi Academy, the place for mathematics and science. Dear students, you all know that we were discussing the chapter called Matter in Our Surroundings, right? And we are in the last part of this chapter. Before going to discuss the last part, just we shall recall some of the important points what we discussed in yesterday's class. And those points, they are also very important in the examination point of view. The concept that we discussed was, it is evaporation. Dhanush, what is evaporation?
Unwanted disturbance.
Change of physical state of a substance from liquid
Unwanted disturbance. Unwanted disturbance.
without liquid reaching its boiling point, right?
Sir, unwanted disturbance. Sir, unwanted disturbance.
And this rate of evaporation or the time taken by the liquid to get evaporated depends on some factors. Yes, Jai. What are these factors? Sit and tell. Okay.
Area, surface area, humidity, and
Wind speed. There are four important factors. One is surface area of the liquid. Second one is temperature of the liquid. Third one is humidity. And fourth one is wind speed, right? Even we come across some of the situation where evaporation is responsible for cooling, right? One example is the water taken in the earthen pot becomes cool, right? And when we take the shelter under tree, we feel very cool and comfortable. And then when we sprinkle the water in front of the home, then the surrounding will be cool. Like this, we took many examples. Next, and one more concept, that is when the a glass cup containing the ice is kept outside, after few seconds only, you'll come to know that the water droplets that are collected on the outer wall of the cup, due to which process the water droplets are formed?
Condensation.
Condensation, right? And when you take some amount of spirit on your palm, you feel cool. Which process is responsible?
Evaporation.
Evaporation. Right? And even we have also come across the differences among evaporation and boiling. Sai Gaurav, sit and tell. Which of these two is associated with the characteristics of right?
Boiling.
It is
Wait,
boiling.
sir.
Your concentration should be
Sir,
on
there is
the
a
result.
water disturbance, sir.
Sir, excuse me. Sir, excuse me. Sir,
Ah, yes,
excuse
sir.
me. Rakshita B, what do you want? Rakshita B, what do you want?
Hello, sir.
Rakshita B,
Sir, hello,
What do you
sir.
want?
Can you hear?
what do you want, Ma?
Sir, I can't on my video, sir.
Why are you disturbing? Why are you unmuting?
Sir, I cannot start the video, sir.
Sir, Prashant sir.
Sir,
Prashant sir, you just help her to turn on the video, and she's not getting the video to on.
no, sir, it is there only. There only. They have to turn on their video.
Rakshita, can you hear me? Rakshita,
Yes, sir.
can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
You do one thing, just go for rejoining. However, you used to follow in previous days, do the same thing. I think you find it easy to turn on the video.
Okay, sir.
Sir will help you otherwise.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay, right. Listen. Boiling is associated with characteristics of, right? Then which of these two phenomena will always takes place at a specific temperature? It is boiling. Boiling takes place at constant temperature, whereas evaporation takes place at all temperature.
All temperature.
Okay, no need to write anything. Let your concentration be here. Next, which is called surface phenomena.
Evaporation.
Evaporation is called
Evaporation.
surface phenomena. Shreyas, why it is so called? Shreyas will tell, just listen. Why the evaporation process is called surface phenomena? Wait. Very good. Because it takes place only on the surface of the liquid. Right? That is why it is called surface phenomenon. Pragati, why is, sorry, first you tell boiling is bulk phenomena or surface phenomena? Why it is so?
It bubbles on all the surface.
Huh?
Because it boils on all the surface.
I want an exact statement.
It takes
Yes,
place
Sanjana?
in all the surface.
Wait. Sanjana will tell. Here, Sanjana, can you? Others. Chandana, can you hear? Okay. Now just listen to me. Here, Pragati is telling that boiling is a bulk phenomenon. I want the exact reason for that. Could you tell?
Because it takes place at all the region of the liquid.
I asked Chandana. Okay, myself only will tell. Boiling takes place in all the regions of the liquid, in all the parts of the liquid. That is why it is called bulk phenomena. Which of these two depends on free surface area of the liquid?
Evaporation.
Evaporation.
In the previous year board exams, many times this question has been asked to write the differences between boiling and evaporation. Please do learn that. Okay. Next, now this much was discussed in the last class, right? And now we are moving to the next part of this chapter. Dear students, we all know that we have different forms of energy. It may be the heat energy, light energy, then wind energy, chemical energy,
Solar energy.
like that. So many forms of energy are there. But for all, one ultimate source is there. What is that?
Sun.
Ultimate source of energy.
Sun.
Sun. Right? And we get the heat radiations from the sun. But how that heat is produced or how that light is produced inside the sun? Then what kind of state of matter is present in that?
Hydrogen and helium.
Liquid lava.
Wait. Is it liquid?
Helium.
Wait. I'll tell you that. It is the energy produced in the sun is due to the reaction called thermonuclear fusion reaction. There, the hydrogen atoms combine to form the helium, and it produces the large amount of energy, and that energy will reach us in the form of heat radiation and the state of matter present inside the sun. Do you know what it is? Whether it is solid, liquid or gas?
Plasma.
Neither of these three. It is a fourth state of matter. That is, one student said that. It is
Plasma.
Plasma. Have you ever seen the plasma state?
No,
No,
sir.
sir.
No, lava.
Sir.
Hope that you have seen the tube lights, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
You switch on, you'll get the white light from the tube. Here, whatever the state of matter which is present inside that tube light, it is plasma. Then you all may be thinking that, sir, then how is this plasma formed? Or how is this plasma state is produced? Your students, you are also very familiar with the free electrons as well as ions. Right? Are you familiar or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
And what are free
Yes, sir.
electrons? What are free electrons? You are also familiar with the atom, right? I go for drawing the structure of an atom. So this is an atom, the smallest particle of an element which can take part in the chemical reaction, which is called atom. Then what do you call the central part of an atom where 99% of mass of an atom is concentrated?
Nucleus.
Neutrons.
Nucleus.
Neutron.
Nucleus. Nucleus. And inside the nucleus will be having two important particles.
Protons.
What are these?
Protons and
neutrons.
neutrons.
Protons and neutrons.
Yeah, very good. Protons will be there and even some.
Neutron.
Neutrons.
And one more particle will be revolving around the nucleus.
Electron.
Electrons.
Electrons.
Electrons. So protons, electrons and neutrons, these are called the fundamental particles of an atom.
Atom.
Also called the basic particles of an atom. Also called the subatomic particles of an atom, which I had already learned in your previous class, right? Hope that you have remembered.
Yes, sir.
And you had also learned a code to remember the particles of an atom. What is that code? In previous class and kaltirot kelta ide.
Sir, pen. Pen.
Very good, very good. It is pen. This is the code that we used to remember the particles of an atom. Protons, electrons, and neutrons. Is it not? And just you have also learned one more important concept, that the number of protons present in the nucleus of an atom. What it is?
Atomic number.
Hmm?
Atomic
Very
number.
good. It is called atomic number. Atomic number. And you have also learned the atomic numbers of first 20 elements. What is the atomic number of hydrogen?
1,
1. Helium?
2,
2.
Right. Similarly, sodium.
11,
Very good. Sodium. 11. Its atomic symbol is Na, and atomic number is 11.
11,
11.
When you go for taking just one atom of sodium, inside the nucleus, there will be 11 protons. And you have also learned that the number of protons and the number of electrons present in an atom, it is same, right? If 11 protons are there in one atom of sodium, how many electrons?
11,
11.
You have also learned that how these electrons are arranged. Nenpidena? Every time I have been asking.
in
Last
shells.
year we had learned. Okay. Do you remember the chapter called Chemical Effects of Electric Current, which you had learned in 8th standard?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
You have come across all this information. Observe it. Here, as I said, there will be 11 electrons in one atom of sodium. As I said, electrons will revolve in different orbits around the nucleus. Is it not? Here, if I take, this is the nucleus of sodium. Nucleus of sodium. In the first orbit, first energy level, first shell, there will be 2 electrons.
2
2
electrons.
electrons will be revolving around the nucleus. In the second orbit, 8
Eight.
electrons will be revolving. Total how many electrons are there? 11.
11.
How many have been shown?
10.
10.
One more electron is there. This electron will be in the outermost orbit.
1.
And could you tell among which electron, among these, which electrons, that is first orbit electron, second orbit electron, third orbit electron, will loosely bound to the nucleus of an atom?
Last
Third,
third.
third, third,
Last
third.
orbit.
Very good. Because as the distance is more, force of attraction is less. So the electrons in the outermost orbit of an atom of the element, this is called free electron. Now, hope that you have recalled the previous year concept.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Make you
Yes,
to recall one more element. I take chlorine. What is the atomic number of
17,
chlorine?
17.
Very good, very good. Atomic number of chlorine is 17. Atomic symbol is Cl.
CL.
17. And let me show you how these 17 electrons are distributed in an atom, inside the atom.
2
So
plus
see,
8 plus 7.
wait. Very good, very good. It is chlorine nucleus. In the first orbit, as usual, 2 electrons. Second orbit, 8 electrons. Third orbit, okay,
7.
10 are there. Remaining 7.
7.
7 electrons will be in the outermost orbit. 2, 4, 6, 7. These are the 7 electrons which are in the outermost orbit, last energy level, weak energy level. So these electrons are called free electrons. Got it? Free electrons.
Yes, sir.
Students, you also know that in your previous classes, that is in the chapter called materials, metals and non-metals. Kaltidiralva?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
You have already come to know that metals are able to lose the electrons, right? They have a tendency to lose the electrons. They'll be awaiting to donate the electrons, whereas non-metals are ready to gain the
Gain
electrons.
electron.
Got it? And you have also learned that if an atom loses the electrons, what happens?
It becomes
Suppose
negative.
1 electron, 2
It
electrons,
becomes
3 electrons.
Becomes negative.
Negative character.
Cation.
Negative
Cation.
character.
Wait. When an atom loses the electrons, it gets charged. Even when an atom receives the electron, it gets
Negative
charged.
charge.
So an atom gets charged either by losing the electrons or by gaining 1 or more electrons. So what do you call this charged atom?
Ion.
Very good, very good. Ion. A charged atom is called ion. Then there are 2 types of ions. Hope that you have remembered.
Positive and negative.
Positive and negative.
Negative ions.
Positively charged ion. And second one is
Negatively charged.
Negatively charged ion.
Then what do you call the positively charged ion?
The
Cation.
the atom
Very
which
good.
gains
It is cation.
Anion.
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 Another one, the negatively
Anion.
charged ion.
Anion.
anion.
is called
Anion.
Onion.
Okay. You have also learned that if an atom has to attain the stability, there must be 8 electrons in the outermost orbit. How many electrons should be there? 8 electrons.
Eight.
Here, come to sodium atom. In the outermost orbit, how many electrons are there?
1.
7.
One.
Electrons it needs 7.
7.
Okay. As it needs more than half of 8 electrons. So that is, it needs 7 electrons. It doesn't have a capacity to receive. Hence, what happens? This sodium atom will
Deuce.
lose the electron. Okay, when it loses the electron, then in the second orbit there will be 8 electrons. It gets charged. Got it? By losing the electron, it attains the positive charge. Then we say that it is positively charged atom or positively charged ion called cation. How many electrons it has lost?
1.
Negative.
Right. Na 1 plus. Clear up? It is understood that if I written Na1 plus means sodium atom has lost 1 electron, has donated 1 electron, and it has become sodium ion. Whereas chlorine, come to this, as I said, if an atom has to attain the stability, there must be 8 electrons. Here, how many electrons are there? 7. How many?
7.
Just
1.
only 1. We want to buy an object whose cost is 8 rupees, then we have
7 rupees.
7 rupees. Your friend is also with you. Can he help or can
Yes,
she
sir.
help?
I will borrow 1 rupee from here.
So this atom is ready to receive 1 electron. When it receives 1 electron, there will be 8
Negative
electrons.
charge.
It becomes stable. If an atom gains the electron, then we call it as negatively charged atom. We call this negatively charged atom as an ion. Here we can write Cl
Cl minus.
plus. It is chloride ion. It is chloride ion, and this is sodium ion. Okay, dear students, just we have come to know about free electrons and ions. Free electrons and ions. Once I remind you in brief, the electrons in the outermost orbit of an atom are the electrons which are bound to the atom loosely. They are called free electrons. Got it? Then the atoms which lose the electron or which gain the electron, they get charged. So these charged atoms are called
Ions.
ions. Outermost orbit electrons are called free electrons. Charged atoms are called ions. When you mix these two,
Plasma.
following, when we mix these two, we will get the fourth state of matter, that is called
Plasma.
Plasma.
plasma. This is the fourth state of matter, and this plasma, only for making you to understand in a simplest way and greatly, plasma is the mixture of
Free electrons and ions.
Combination of free electrons and ions.
the mixture of the fourth state of matter, which is the mixture of free electrons and ions, is called
Plasma.
plasma. And we all know that we have many stars. When you just watch the night sky, you find the number of stars, right?
Uncountable.
These stars twinkling
Sir, we can tell
because they produce the light of their own. So this light is because of the fourth state of matter which is
Plasma.
present in them.
Plus.
Could you tell which is called the daytime star?
Sun.
In that also energy is reduced. Plasma. Okay. There also free electrons will be there. There will also be ions. These will mix with each other to form the fourth state of matter. called plasma. Is it possible? Okay, just we have come to know in all the stars, plasma state is present. Is it possible to produce this plasma state on the earth?
Yes, sir.
Yes. I gave you the first example.
Tube light example.
Tube light.
Tube light.
Might
Light.
be looking like a tube light, it won't, you cannot understand. Listen, in the tube light, when you go for in this tube light, there will be a gas. Gas will be taken. What are those?
Neon.
Either helium,
Helium.
or argon. In general, the noble gases.
Noble gases.
Remember?
Yes.
Amok, could you tell what are these noble gases?
Helium, argon,
Nitrogen.
neon.
Wait.
Nitrogen.
I'm just making you to recall the last year concept. 7th and 8th is in noble gases.
Helium,
Helium,
nitrogen,
neon,
Hydrogen.
argon, krypton, xenon, radon.
Then
What it? Hope that your mind started working. What? Kulambi? Gaurav? Helium, neon, argon, krypton, xenon, radon. These are called noble gases. Why they are called noble gases?
they don't react with anything.
Well, all these gases are, or all these elements are stable. They neither donate the electrons nor receive the electrons, or they won't go for even sharing the electron. All are stable. They are chemically unreactive. Hence, they are called noble gases. Once I remind, helium, neon, argon, krypton, xenon, and radon. These are called noble gases. As say here, any one gas will be taken. Assume that helium, neon, these are, it's a light gas also. Alva? When you pass good amount of electricity, do you know what actually happens? Chetan? What actually, when you pass electricity into the tube light, what actually happens inside the tube light?
Sir, electrical energy forms light energy.
Light and heat energy.
To light energy, of course. But what your energy conversion you are telling, it is right. But actually what happens is here,
there will
this electrical energy is able to break the atoms of the gas which is taken. When the atoms are broken, electrons will come out. When the electrons are lost by an atom, what happens? It becomes
produces charge.
Whatever the gas it may be, in that gas number of atoms will be there. In each atom some number of electrons will be there. These electrons will mix with the broken atoms. Got it? And because of the mixture of these two, the energy is produced. That is, the fourth state of matter is produced. That is called plasma. Clear? Okay. This is fourth. It is about fourth state of matter. See here, fourth state of matter can be produced on the earth by passing high electrical energy into the low pressure gas or light gas. Light gas alli now pass madidre fourth state of matter sigutte. Got it? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Likewise, we have one more state of matter. Actually, earlier we had known only three states of matter: solid,
Yes, sir.
liquid, and
Liquid
gas.
gas.
Now we have come to know one more, that is plasma. We have even fifth state of matter. We have fifth state of matter. Let me tell you about this. Listen to me carefully.
Bose-Einstein.
This fifth state of matter, it is obtained by reducing the pressure of a gas to very low density to about 1 lakh the times the density of the air, we will get the fifth state of matter. You all understand?
Repeat again.
No, sir.
Oh, one second. Wait.
So tell again.
Wait. Suppose I go for taking air and it has some density. Air has some density. I'm going to take one of the gas whose density is to be reduced. Just to reduce it should be 1 lakh times less than the density of the air. Air density is 1 lakh times kadme irbeku. When it is much low density, then we will get a fifth state of matter.
What it is called, sir?
Condensate.
Condensate. Bose-Einstein condensate. This is the fifth state of matter.
Yes, sir.
Sinchana, let your concentration be here.
Yes, sir.
Look, the fifth state of matter, it is obtained by reducing the pressure of a gas extremely to low, such that the density, its density is 1 lakh times the density of the air.
Air.
Do you know who has made the calculation on the fifth state of matter?
Einstein.
Bose,
Only.
Albert Einstein. Bose and Einstein.
Albert Einstein.
Albert Einstein. See, we the Indians, we must feel very proud.
J.N. Bose.
Say that regarding fifth state of matter, a calculation was given by a great Indian physicist. He is
Satyendranath Bose.
very good. Satyendranath Bose.
Satyendranath Bose.
Satyendranath Bose. He has made some calculations on the fifth state of matter, and this calculation, the calculation made by Satyendranath Bose, was used by another great scientist,
Albert Einstein.
and he predicted the fifth state of matter. Got it? Einstein. Also, Albert Einstein, he predicted the fifth state of matter. We know that the scientists have given the great contribution to the field of science and technology. All are great only. We cannot degrade anybody. But as we are the Indians, we must feel very proud. Fifth state of matter calculation was given by Satyendranath Bose. And this was used by Albert Einstein, and he said that, yes, there is fifth state of matter. Actually, the name should come like, it is correct only. It is Bose-Einstein condensate, because first contribution from Bose, next contribution from
Einstein.
But experimentally, the existence of fifth state of matter was proved by three
Satyananda.
great scientists.
Eric Cornwell, sir.
Condensate.
Is there simple state?
Cornell. Then another one is Wieman.
Lateral.
Cantor. So these are the three scientists who experimentally proved the existence of fifth state of matter, that is called Bose-Einstein condensate. For their experiment, even they were awarded with a great prize inside the field of science and technology called Nobel Prize.
Nobel Prize.
Awarded with Nobel Prize. Actually, this award should go to Satyendranath Bose.
Satyendranath Bose.
He was the first scientist who had made the calculations on fifth state of matter.
Sir,
See,
how
one
we
thing
met
is,
Sir, sixth state of matter,
Information-
fermionic condensate.
Whatever the information given by our scientists, even we find it difficult to digest them. But our scientists will think about the concepts which are not known to the other people. It is their thinking, it is really great. It is much appreciable. So you should also try your best. You should also try your best to become the scientist. How? Huh?
By
doing
experiments.
By doing experiment. Of course, you must have the scientific attitude. One thing. Second thing is, to call you as a scientist, you no need to create anything. You have to just make the modification in the thing. Got it? New modification ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋದ್ರೆ, obviously you will also be a scientist. Like, see, mobile versions. Earlier we had only keypad, smartphone. Now still advanced phones are coming. Isn't it? These are all modifications. Okay, let it.
iPhone 12 Pro.
This is about the fourth and fifth state of matter. Fourth state of matter is plasma, and the fifth state of matter is Bose-Einstein condensate. So now let me give you the points with respect to this. Go on, right.
Sir, sixth state of matter is there, sir.
Try ಮಾಡಪ್ಪ ನೀವು. Of course, earlier people even scientists did not know about the fourth and fifth state of matter, but obviously then they succeeded in giving information regarding sixth state of matter. We do not know that. Even it may be it may exist in future also.
Fermionic condensate.
Huh?
Fermionic condensate.
Fermionic condensate. No. Now let me get the information regarding that. And
Chetan
I'll
is
give you
a
the same
scientist.
information in tomorrow's class, if it is so. If it is there, I'll give you that information. But in textbook, they are given these two, plasma and Satyendranath. Sorry. Bose-Einstein condensate.
Bose-Einstein condensate.
Yes, right up. Side heading, other two states of matter. Other two states of matter.
Sir, we should write.
Yes, you must write. Right. Other two states of matter. Right, now, which is first one? First one is
Plasma.
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 second one is
Bose-Einstein
Einstein
condensate.
condensate. In bracket, you may write its abbreviated form as
Sir, blur.
BEC. BEC, acronym of Bose-Einstein condensate. This is the fifth state of matter. Now, let us write the information regarding one level. Right, that. First one. Plasma. Plasma. Right, first definition. What is that? The fourth state of matter, which is produced by the mixture of free electrons
And
And ions.
ions. Right. The fourth state of matter, which is produced by the mixture of free electrons and ions is called plasma. For your reference, I am writing, yes, plasma. This is equal to free electrons plus ions. Next, I'll give you some more points with respect to this. Where it occurs naturally,
Sun and stars.
star.
Sun and stars.
Sun, of course. In generally, in all stars. Naturally, it occurs in stars. Right.
Sir, here.
Naturally, it occurs in stars. Now, could you tell which is our home star?
Sun.
Sun.
Sun. Sun is our
Moon.
home star.
Sir,
And
moon also.
state of matter present in the sun?
Plasma.
Sir, moon also stars.
Right.
Sir, moon. Which state?
Sir, moon also one type of star.
Moon just it will reflect the light incident on it. It will reflect the sunlight incident on it. It will not produce of its own. Right. It is presenting the home star called what it is? Sun.
Sun.
Star called
Sir, why it is called home star?
Because it will give the
because
sunlight to
it
the
belongs to our solar system. And Earth, it is a part of the solar system in which sun is at the center. Got it? Next.
Sir.
Due to which chemical reaction energy is produced inside the sun?
Sir, hydrogen gas converted to helium.
Of course, hydrogen will combine with oxygen
Nuclear
helium with a large amount of energy. But what we call that?
Thermonuclear.
Nuclear.
1 minute. Jaknur, tell that. Which reaction?
Thermonuclear reaction.
Thermonuclear fusion reaction. Thermonuclear fusion reaction. Don't write, just observe. Thermo. Thermo means
Heat.
heat.
Sir, heat is a thermal energy.
Nuclear
Temperature.
nuclear reaction. Thermonuclear reaction means two light nuclei combine to form heavy nucleus. We know that lightest atom is hydrogen. Alva? And nuclei combine then it becomes heavy. And we call this as fusion reaction. And due to this fusion reaction, large amount of heat is produced. Prithviraj. Prithvi, can you hear me?
Yes, sir. Sir,
Where are you going?
sir,
Huh?
sir, ಬೇರೆ ಜಾಗಕ್ಕೆ ಬಂದೆ.
ಬೇರೆ ಜಾಗ ಹೋಗು. Energy produced in the sun is due to the reaction called thermonuclear fusion reaction. Right. The energy produced in the sun due to thermonuclear fusion reaction. Fusion reaction. Thermonuclear fusion reaction. See, fusion means combining. Two light nuclei combine to form heavy nucleus with large amount of energy. It's called thermonuclear fusion reaction.
Sir, what is difference between fusion and fission, sir?
Fission means splitting. One
Fusion
nuclei
means
gets
splitting.
split up into two other nuclei. But fusion, two nuclei
Spread.
combine, they fuse to form heavy nucleus. ಮತ್ತೆ ನಿಮಗೆ 10th ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ regarding nuclear reaction. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ we have one chapter, very nice chapter, sources of energy. There you will get lot of information in 10th standard. Then so listen, we all know that sun including other stars will glow. It is because of the presence of state of matter inside them. What is that?
Plasma.
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 The sun, SUN, and other stars glow due to the presence of
Plasma.
State plasma.
Due to the presence of plasma. Next, one more point. Even we have already come to know that this plasma state can also be produced on the earth. How?
Tubelite.
Light tubelite.
Tubelite.
Giving a more
In the
electric
gas.
to the low amount of gas.
Low, very low pressure. Low pressure ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಆ gas ಗೆ electricity ನಾವು pass ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ then we'll get the plasma state. Right.
Sir, only noble gas or other gas also, sir?
Noble gases.
Okay, sir.
Because they can be reduced to very low pressure. Hangagi. Right.
Sir, plasma spelling is wrong.
Plasma is produced artificially by passing high electricity to the
Noble gas.
gases at low pressure taken in the tube, taken in the glass tube. Gas which is at low pressure is to be taken in the glass tube. Then you have to pass electricity in that good amount of electricity. Then atoms are broken and become ions, and these ions will mix with the electrons to form the fourth state of matter called plasma. So this is just information about plasma. Now we are moving to second. Shall we move on to second one? What is that?
Yes, sir.
Bose-Einstein condensate.
Bose-Einstein constant.
Bose-Einstein
Einstein
condensate.
condensate.
What is the other name we have got?
BEC.
Don't read it as PEC. It should be read. It should be read as Beck.
Beck.
Right.
Beck.
Beck, not Becko. Got it? You all may be thinking that, sir, why should we read it as Beck?
Yes, sir.
Because it is in the form called acronym. Acronym ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆಯಾ ನಿಮಗೆ?
No, sir.
Acronym.
No, sir.
Combining of more names in a single.
Observe.
Combination of words.
TV. Full form?
Television.
Vision.
Division.
Small vision.
The short form of number of words.
PM.
Prime Minister.
Prime
Prime
Minister.
Minister.
PM. Common.
Member of Parliament.
Member of
Parliament.
Parliament.
PM. PM.
Okay.
Common.
Middle.
Air.
Air.
All
All India Radio.
All India rank.
All India Radio.
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 All India Radio. Okay. Listen.
Slow.
Indian Satellite
Space Research Association.
National Space Research Organization.
Wait. Just listen. Indian Space Research Organization.
ISRO.
Right?
ISRO.
Yes, sir.
Okay. But why don't you read this as ISRO? Why do we read it as ISRO?
Which is a full form of
Huh? Okay. You are also familiar with this. Yes, sir.
Space launcher vehicle.
Satellite launching vehicle. Satellite launching vehicle.
satellite launch vehicle.
For satellite launching vehicle, by taking the first letter from each word, will we get any word? No, we will get
No.
only single letter. S, L, V. You cannot read it as a word.
Combination of the words.
It is just abbreviated form. SLV is the abbreviated form of satellite launching vehicle. Okay, it is ISRO. This we have got a word, and this word is formed by taking each letter from the words Indian Space Research Organization. You will not letter thought get out. Word ಬಂತು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ
World Health Organization.
which are learned in 6th, 7th, 8th, not only in 6th, even 5th also. Full form, acronym. Full form only individual letter will be taken. Whereas, sorry, abbreviated form only individual letter will be taken. Then in case of acronym, we will take it as a word.
PhD.
What is it? Followed or not?
Yes, sir.
So it is Beck, Bose, Einstein,
Condensate.
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 Bose,
Meow.
Einstein, condensate. Okay, I'll give you the information. Start right. Right. It is formed by.
Sir, definite.
Definite. Oh, definition. The fifth state of matter. Somebody is asking the definition. The fifth state of matter. State of matter, which is formed by. Cooling a gas. Cooling a gas. Extremely low density. Cooling a gas. Extremely low density. Such that
You written
its density is how much smaller?
10 power minus 5 of air.
10 raised to the power 5 or 1 lakh times. Whose density is 1 lakh times. 1 lakh times.
Sir, we can't see video blur.
Less than
Air.
the density of the air. Density of the air is called Beck.
Beck.
It's called Beck. Over.
Sir, which is that gas, sir?
Any gas can be taken. Usually we'll go for taking the low density gases also.
Hydrogen.
Most of the gases are light only. Whether it may be hydrogen gas, helium gas, there are.
Sir, how its density can be reduced, sir?
By cooling.
When it is cooled, what will happen?
Temperature get decreased.
Stability, sir.
Temperature
Density
decrease. But
increases.
density just
Yes, sir. Density
temperature
increases.
decrease ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ particles will come closer to you.
Accessibility.
Compressibility, sir. Compressibility.
Very good. By compressing, ಅವಾಗ ವಾಲ್ಯೂಮ್ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. By compressing, volume ಕಡಿಮೆ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, then density
Increase.
Yes, sir.
ಅಂದ್ರೆ
By eating, sir.
no. Its volume will go. We should make its volume more and
By
more.
evaporation.
Hey, no. Those processes will not be taken. Then who made the first calculation on Bose-Einstein condensate?
Satyendranath
Satyendranath. Right. The calculation made on Bose-Einstein condensate by great Indian physicist is Satyendranath Bose. Satyendranath Bose. Then who has used the calculation made by Satyendranath
Albert
Bose?
Einstein.
Albert Einstein.
Albert Einstein.
To check.
Prediction of Bose-Einstein condensate, that is fifth state of matter, by Albert Einstein. By using calculation made by Satyendranath Bose. Finished up. Over. Now, experimentally proved by, that is existence of fifth state of matter, experimentally was proved by 3 scientists. What are those? Cornell, Riemann, Kettle.
Kettle, Winian, Cornell.
Experimental proof on fifth state of matter, that is Bose-Einstein condensate, Beck, was given by, let me write their name one by one. First one, Eric A. Cornell, his full name. Eric A. Cornell. And another scientist, Wolfgang Kettel. Kettel, K-E-T-T-E-R-L-E, Kettel. Then Carl E. Riemann. E V1. Car E V1. And they were awarded with Nobel Prize.
Nobel Prize.
Nobel Prize. Do you know in which year?
1987.
2001.
2001. In 2001. And the calculation made on Beck by Satyendranath Bose, he did that in the year 1920.
Sir, at what year he calculated, sir?
Sir, last line.
1820.
1920.
Sir, second scientist name what, sir?
Wolfgang Ketter. WOLFGONG. Wolfgang Ketter. KEPTERLE.
Sir, wolf is the name of the animal. Sir, wolf is the name of the animal.
Wolf is the name of animal. I know that it's a childish thinking.
Sir, don't have second.
Yeah, Prithviraj. Your name, Prithvi Raj, means you are a king of earth. Are you a king of earth?
No, sir.
Okay. Finish start. So this much here has been given in your NCERT textbook regarding the chapter matter in our surroundings. Now just we shall go for recalling the points what we learned along with few scientific reasoning questions. Shall you repeat?
Yes, sir.
Tanush HK,
Sir,
Hi, Laura.
You may.
Yes, sir.
Don't. Sir, in new reduced syllabus, this lesson is there, sir.
Actually, it's not
Sir,
there.
Anil said biology chapter, sir.
Listen.
Sir, periodic test will start
Issues.
from
Yes.
this Monday, sir.
Let's first just recalling some of the points what we learned in the chapter matter in our surroundings from the beginning. Don't copy anything. Just you have to
You should
listen.
not copy, sir.
Reality test is start.
If you not to copy, you are asking me, sir, should I copy?
Sir, Shubham.
Stop writing. Look here. Kirtan Raj. Jai. Which two physical quantities will describe the matter? Wait, I'm asking a student.
Sir, I can tell. Sir, I can. Sir,
Yes.
diffusion
Mass
and
and volume. Mass and volume will describe a matter. Matter is described by two physical quantities.
Mass
One
and
is mass, one is volume. What is the SI unit of mass?
kg, sir.
kg.
Kilogram, sir.
Volume.
Cubic
Volume
meter.
cubic meter.
Cubic meter.
Cubic
Cubic
meter.
meter volume.
Cubic meter.
We all know that all the matter which exists around us, they are made up of 5 basic elements called
Panchatattva.
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 This information was given by our Indian philosophers.
Philosophers.
Manasa, wait. Manasa,
Sky,
Manasa.
Air, water,
Manasa, what
air,
are these
water, air,
Panchatattva?
water,
Sky.
fire, sky, earth, star.
Star is not there.
Prerna K. Kanasapla.
Yes, sir. Air,
What are these Panchatattva?
air, earth, sky, fire, water.
Very good. Air, water, fire, earth, and sky. These are the 5 basic elements. According to them, everything is made up of the combination of these. Then our modern scientists have classified the matter on what basis?
Physical properties and properties.
Chemical properties.
Physical properties and chemical properties. On the basis of physical properties, they are classified as
Solid, liquid, gaseous.
solid, liquid, and gases.
On the basis of chemical element, component.
On the basis of chemical properties, they are classified as elements, compounds,
Elements,
and mixtures.
compounds, mixtures.
And then when you come across element, again they are divided as metals and non-metals, even metalloids, compounds, organic
Homogeneous
and
heterogeneous.
inorganic.
Unorganic.
Okay, and mixture.
Characteristics
also,
of matter.
We have 3 types. We have colloids, we have solutions, we have suspensions, which will be discussed in the next chapter. Okay, next. Prajwal has said
Characteristics of matter.
whether matter
Yes,
is
sir.
continuous or particulate.
Particulate.
It is particulate.
Particulate.
Particulate. Then Gautami, sorry, Bhumika L. Bhumika L.
Yes, sir.
How are the particles of a matter? Whether they are big or whether they are small or very small.
Small, sir.
Very small.
Very small.
Very small.
But we have discussed about the characteristics of particles of matter. Gagandev. Gagandev, tell any one characteristic. Amoghbiyam.
Particles of a matter have space between them.
Yeah.
Particles of matter attract each other.
Yes.
Particles of matter moves
are
continuously.
Very small. Particles of a matter are continuously moving. Particles of a matter have space between
Space
them.
between them.
Particles of a
Particles
matter
of a matter attract each other.
Attract each other.
Yes. Now, Sanvi. Sanvi, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Okay. We all know that a piece of chalk can be cut easily, but nail is not possible. Sanvi, could you tell which property of particle of matter can be described with respect to this?
Sir, in chalk, particles of matter have space between them, but in nail, particles attract each other.
Yeah. Particles of a matter attract each other. Then, Akshay,
Yes, sir.
you'll prepare sugar solution.
Yes, sir.
That is by adding sugar to 100
Water.
ml of water. Will there be any change in the level of water?
No, sir.
No,
Sugar will
sir.
dissolve
Okay,
in
Akshay will tell.
the water.
Spaces between the water.
Only Akshay will tell.
No, sir.
Akshay,
Yes, sir.
which property can be described?
Particles have space between them. Matter
Yeah,
has
particles of a matter have space between them. These sugar particles will get into the spaces between the particles of water. Hence, there will be
Yeah.
no change in the level of water. Samarth MV. Samarth MV.
Yes, sir.
You go for taking some, you just go for adding 1 or 2 drops of ink to the beaker containing water.
Yes, sir.
Don't go for disturbing it and observe it for after 2 minutes. What will be your observation?
Sir, it will mix.
The whole ink spread throughout the bulk of the water. Could you tell which property of particles of matter can be recalled? He will tell. Samarth MV.
Constant.
Particles of a
Aditya, Praveen, Ambedkar.
matter continuously moving.
Particles of matter are
Matter are continuously.
Particles of a matter are continuously moving. If these particles are not moving, what would have happened? The added ink would have been stand over on the surface of water. And listen, we also know that after adding the ink, the whole water turned to that particular ink color. Without disturbing also, it spread throughout the bulk of the water. Sarthakardi, could you tell which process is responsible for this?
Diffusion.
diffusion.
It's called diffusion. Lekha, tell me, what is diffusion?
Sir, the intermixing of particles of matter.
The intermixing of particles of
On their
two
own.
different matters
On
on
their
their
own.
own is called diffusion. Next,
Sir,
similarly,
excuse me, sir. Excuse me, sir.
yes,
Sir, I have a doubt, sir.
yes,
Sir, wood and ice cube are solid or not, sir?
wood is a solid.
Ice cube, sir?
It has a definite shape. Ice cube is also a solid.
Then why they float on water, sir?
Yeah. But general information is ice. The density of ice is smaller than the water. Therefore, when it is placed on the water, it starts floating. But you, of course, I can understand what you are going to ask. As it is a solid, it should sink in the water. Is it
Yes,
not?
sir.
Here, the density of ice is smaller than the water. The reason is particles of ice are held together with a greater space. Got it? So that is why the volume is increased for the same mass. As the volume increases, the density of the ice decreases. As a result of it, it floats when it is placed on the surface of water. One more question. Then you'll go for adding just a few crystals of potassium permanganate into the beaker containing water, about 100 ml of water. This water is transferred to another beaker containing water. And again, from the second beaker, you will transfer the solution into the third beaker. Whether the color disappear?
No, sir.
Sir,
Sir,
average amount.
become lighter.
Wait. Afrin,
Yes, sir.
sit properly first. Sit upright. Now you tell. Which property of matter can be recalled?
Very, very small.
Particles of matter.
Very small. They are
Very small.
too small. If they are big, at one stage, the color would have been disappeared. But even the small crystal of potassium permanganate will color the large amount of water. As it contains the number of particles, these particles are distributed. Right. Then, who is that? Nalpate.
Yes, sir.
Come to know that the intermixing of particles of two different matters on their own is called diffusion. And diffusion depends on some factors. Could you tell? Nalpate.
Temperature and density.
One is temperature, second one is pressure. The rate of diffusion depends on two
Sir,
factors.
density, sir, not
Sir, density, sir.
Temperature
of
and density. Namit Ram. Namit.
Yes, sir.
How does the diffusion depend on temperature?
Directly proportional.
As the temperature increases, diffusion, rate of diffusion also increases. What will be the diffusion, rate of diffusion as the density increases?
Inversely proportional.
Diffusion increases, right? As density increases, diffusion decreases. Your answer should be apt to the question. ನಾನು ಏನೋ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಕೇಳ್ತೀನಿ, you should some 1 or 2 students are telling the different one. It should not happen. Prajwal SM, listen.
Yes, sir.
One more question for you. Daksh, can you hear me? Can you hear me? Okay. Yashwant, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, we all know that particles of a matter are continuously moving. For the evidence for this property, we will go for 2 processes. Could you name them?
Brownian
Which
motion.
2
Diffusion and Brownian.
In motion.
The question is, which 2 processes are evidence for the movement of the particles? One is,
Brownian motion.
you are right. Yashwant, you are right. It is, one is Brownian motion, second one is diffusion. Yatin, if so, what is Brownian motion?
The zigzag movement of particles.
Zigzag movement
Zigzag
of
movement
particles
of
Suspended
of a liquid
particle.
or gas is called Brownian motion.
I think either Prithvi or Nalpet or Prajwal SM.
Sir, Shubham, sir.
Even Shubhan. Shubhan, Nalpet means you are only. Okay. Shubhan P. Nalpet. Brownian motion means the zigzag movement of suspended particles present in the liquid or gas is known as Brownian motion. Who has given Samarth MV, who has given this information, Brownian motion?
Robert Brown.
Robert Brown.
Robert Brown.
Robert Brown is Robert Brown.
He observed in pollen grains.
Yes, yes.
He observed in water.
Motion in case of pollen grains taken in the water. When he observed through the microscope, he came to know that the pollen grains were moving in zigzag motion, because as these pollen grains are attached to the particles of water, as the water particles are moving in the zigzag motion in the same direction only, the pollen grains move. Next, Sanjana G. What are the
Sir, why
5?
the pollen grains exactly move in the zigzag motion, sir?
Sanjana G.
Sir? Yes, sir.
What are the 5 states of matter? Can you hear me? If you are not hearing me.
Solid, liquid, and gases.
Gas, plasma.
Solid, liquid,
Acetic.
Okay. Now, in which of 3 states of matter, first 3 states of matter, which can be compressed easily?
gases.
Gas can be compressed easily. Because of this property, it has some applications. They are, one is,
LPG,
the
CNG.
compressed gas will be used in liquefied petroleum gas cylinder.
Cylinder.
LPG.
Oxygen gas.
LPG.
Wait.
We can see
particles
through
Cylinders are used in home for domestic purpose. There, a gas is to be compressed. Do you know which gas is taken in that?
LPG.
Petroleum gas.
Butane.
Butane.
Next, even compressed natural gas, which is used in vehicles, some vehicles. What is the main component of that? Methane. Carbon dioxide gas is stored under high pressure in the cylinder for extinguish the fire. And we call that as fire extinguisher. Okay. Then oxygen is to be compressed and is converted into liquid form and is stored in the cylinder, which is called oxygen cylinder. That will be supplied in the hospitals. right?
Yes, sir.
Which of these three matter? Dheeraj SK, Shiva, A, Rathod. Which of these three matter has definite volume? Lakshmi
Liquid.
Shri?
Liquid.
Lakshmi Shri will tell.
Liquid.
Solids have definite volume. Liquids have definite volume. But gases,
No
they do not
Do
have.
not have.
They do not have definite volume.
ಅದು ವಾಲ್ಯೂಮ್ ನೀವು ಎಷ್ಟು ದೊಡ್ಡದು ಕಂಟೈನರ್ ತಗೊಳ್ತೀರೋ ಅಷ್ಟು ವಾಲ್ಯೂಮ್ ನ ಅಕ್ಯುಪೈ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದು. And which of these three states can be stored in the container?
Liquid and gases.
Liquid.
Water and gases.
Liquid and
Liquid and gases. Liquid should be stored in the container. Gas should be stored in closed container.
Closed container.
Closed container.
Is it necessary to use the container for storing the solids?
No, sir.
No, sir.
They had
Now,
fixed.
you tell whether sponge is solid, liquid or gas.
Solid, sir.
Solid, sir. Solid.
Solid,
Can we compress the solid?
Yes, sir. No, sir. No.
Sir, because
No,
there is
sir.
a
Really
Cannot be
liquid.
compressed.
Sir, in
But
the
wait,
sponge
wait.
there is
Wait. Sponge can be compressed. Then does it not violate the property?
No, sir.
No. Sponge consists of
Yes, sir.
tiny pores in which air is present.
Is
When-
present, sir.
When it is pressed, the air present in these holes will escape. That
Due
is
to
why
compressibility.
it's compressed. Whether solids are flexible?
No, sir.
no, sir.
But some solids
What
are
do you say
flexible.
about the rubber band, whether it is solid, liquid or gas?
Solid.
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 Then Lakshmi Shri or Niharika or Chandanayu, you will take a rubber band then on just exerting the force on either side, it gets expanded. Then does it not violate the property that solid
Sir, but
cannot-
some
the
solids
are
will
not
expand.
flexible?
It comes back to its normal state.
Regains its shape.
One thing is rubber has elastic property and it gets expanded only on applying the force, and when the force applied is stopped, it retains its shape. Got it? That is why in spite it is expanded, it is considered as a solid. Dheeraj SK, hope that now your mother is preparing the food.
Yes, sir.
Could you tell which is that food?
Don't know,
Can you get the smell of that?
No, sir.
Sir,
Then you may be on the terrace. Okay. You know that if hard food is there, you are able to get the aroma of that food, smell of that food, and you are able to guess it.
Yes,
Could you
sir.
tell which process is responsible for this?
Diffusion.
sir,
Diffusion. Very good. The diffusion of particles of aroma of the food mixing with the
intermix.
air. Hence it will reach you. Yeah. Particles of a matter are continuously moving. That is also property kelidre adum bari. Process kelidre diffusion.
Diffusion.
Now, dear students, now it is time up. In next class also we shall try our best to discuss some more. And tomorrow's class, listen.
Thank you, sir. Bye.
Hey, don't buy. Bye. Don't say bye. Listen.
Graduation.
In tomorrow's class, just we will go for continuing this for about 10 to 15 minutes. After that, we will start the new chapter in mathematics, that is coordinate geometry. Coordinate
biology
geometry.
Sir, biology class, sir.
Coordinate geometry.
Sir,
So
when
get
will
ready
do?
with the math
Sir,
notebook
biology.
and also lab sheets or either graph note. Or you may go for using graph note. Okay. Biology
Google
class
form.
will be conducted soon.
Sir, Google form.
Sir, last Sunday test
And one more last information. Listen.
key answers.
Yeah, will be said. And I expect everybody to submit your worksheets without fail.
Yes, sir, I'm doing.
Then
Submit.
give examples for.
From today onwards, I am going to give you the worksheets questions in such a way that whatever the chapters we have covered now, from each chapter, one question. And
Yes, sir.
from today's concept covered, 2 questions. Okay.
Yes, sir.
From number system, 1 question. Polynomials, 1 question. Next,
Yes, sir.
motion chapter, 1 question. And 2 questions from
Matter in our
pattern in our sum. So
Yes,
that
sir.
you can recall all the chapters from the beginning also. It will, you find it easier.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes,
With
sir.
this, let us stop the class.
Sir,
Thank you very much.
question in,
Thank you,